Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money with Shrink.io for beginners. If you're looking for a way to make money from home, Shrink.io might be the perfect solution for you. Before we dive into the details, I want to encourage you to click the link in the description. That link will take you to a resource that will help you make money from home the way I do and start making money from home. So, make sure you check it out. Now, let's talk about how to make money with Shrink.io. Shrink.io is a URL shortener service that allows you to make money by shortening and sharing links. When someone clicks on one of your shortened links, they will see an advertisement before being redirected to the original destination. You'll earn money for every view on the ad displayed on your shortened links. Here's how it works. Once you've signed up for Shrink.io, you can start shortening your links. Simply copy and paste the URL you want to shorten into the Shrink.io dashboard, and a shortened link will be generated for you. Then, share that link on your social media accounts, blog, or anywhere else you want to promote it. For every view on the ad displayed on your shortened links, you'll earn money. The amount of money you earn depends on a variety of factors, including the location of the person clicking the link and the type of ad being displayed. Shrink.io also has a referral program that allows you to earn even more money. When someone you refer signs up for Shrink.io and starts earning money, you'll earn a commission on their earnings. The commission rate varies depending on the type of account you have, but it can be up to 20%. So, how can you get started with Shrink.io and start earning money? It's simple. Just follow these steps. Sign up for Shrink.io. You can find the link in the description below. Start shortening your links. Copy and paste the URLs you want to shorten into the Shrink.io dashboard, and a shortened link will be generated for you. Share your shortened links on social media, your blog, or anywhere else you want to promote them. Start earning money for every view on the ad displayed on your shortened links. To maximize your earnings with Shrink.io, here are a few tips. Share your links on platforms where there are many users. The more people click on your links, the more money you'll make. Use attractive titles and descriptions for your shortened links. This will increase the chances of people clicking on them. Use Shrink.io's referral program to earn even more money. Refer friends and family using your referral link and earn a commission on their earnings. Keep track of your earnings and statistics. Shrink.io has a dashboard where you can see your earnings, views, clicks, and other statistics. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to make money from home, Shrink.io is a great option. It's easy to get started, and you can start earning money simply by shortening and sharing links. By the way, click the link in the description to learn more. That link will take you to a resource that will help you make money from home the way I do and start making money from home today.